Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Why do I sing? Okay, so it's Ipsy August Glam bag. This is the $12 a month sample size, fun size, travel size. I don't know, did I say fun size? Bite size? Every now and then you can pick a full-size product. $12 a month. It is probably one of the cheaper makeup subscription. I think I can say that because Walmart is $7, but that's not necessarily makeup. So if you want to see what I got, stick around. Oh, and if you haven't liked, subscribed, and commented, do that. Oops, I broke the bag. Look at that. I usually use these as, you know, send out giveaways. So here's the bag. It has like a snake skin, I guess. Everybody's been saying that, so yeah. You can see that. It's very textured, but it's cute. It's more like a clutch, so I like it. And it has the peridot that is for the month of August, the gemstone. Celestial told me that, so I feel important and smart. Wanderlust is the theme for August. All right, so let's see. Okay, we do have goodies with prices, so get it. Pure On Point mascara with hemp. This is not full size, but a full size would be $22. So this is a 4-in-1 mascara with hemp. I always like these mini mascaras. Don't ask me why, but I do. And you get to pick one item, so this is not it, but I'll tell you what it is. This is Element Beauty. I swear I've gotten one of these. Dual eyeshadow in Sierra and Up in Smoke. Full size would be $42. I really think I've gotten this. So, ooh. That looks yellow, but it's really like a coffee brown. But very pretty, easy look. Very nice. And then we have, ooh, love this purple. 1-1 Skin. Full size would be $280. Ha! This is only 15 mLs. This is a Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. And this is a deluxe sample. So when do you use this? At night? Apply in a small circular motion at night after cleansing and toning. So sealed, but I will use this because I'm definitely not paying whatever the price of this is. So here's my choice item, and it is Pixie by Petra. I love Pixie products. So this is the Fresh Face Blush in Ginger Blossom. I figured this would go with me. What do you think? And it's sealed. So let's crack this open because I definitely want to see the color. So has that. Ooh, and it says Pixie by Petra on there. Look at that. I love that color. So if it doesn't work for you and you have a blush, you can always use it as your base shadow or a shadow. No smell, but okay. Butterfingers. Okay, got that. And last, ooh, this is a full size. This has to be full size. This is M2U NYC Matte Liquid Lip in Soho after New York. Of course, I like the simple packaging. So this says, this is a deluxe sample. This would be full size for me, but a full size would be $7. Okay, so this is the color. And there's the brand. Very cute. I love it. So let's go back over this. We got the bag. We got a lip. We got a blush. We got a duo eyeshadow. 1-1 skin. And a mascara. $12. What do you guys think? Is it worth the $12? Because I always see if it's worth it. And for me, Ipsy is the best. I have no problems, and I actually do get new stuff all the time. So it's great. So that was the month of August. Thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and as always, stay safe.